Hi friends, I am Dr. Abdequaem from Grace Healing Homeopathy. In continuation of my fear rubric, this is part 5. Lot of queries and lot of inquiries on social media, so I am continuing. I'll maybe have most of the fear which I have seen in my clinical practice, I'll share with you with the remedies. One more fear, I had an interesting case of asthma, and the patient used to come and tell me asthma of long duration. He was a doctor by profession and used to telephone me, sir, 2 दिन बाद बादल कड़कने वाले हैं, बिजली स्टॉर्म आने वाला है, बिकॉज मुझे अस्थमा लग रहा है अभी. एंड ही यूज्ड टू प्रिसाइसली प्रिडिक्ट कि भाई 1 दिन बाद 2 दिन बाद थंडरस्टॉर्म होने वाला है. एंड आई वाज सरप्राइज्ड, whatever symptoms are written in a mater medica, whatever rubrics are there, they are so beautifully written and so beautifully well told by the provers, that fear of thunderstorm or fear at the approach of thunderstorm, and the patient used to get fear. And then of course I had given the patient already phosphorus, but that did not work, so I gave gelsemium. If you see the mater medica and in the rubric gelsemium, it is given fear of thunderstorm, on approach of thunderstorm there is a fear, and the gelsemium cured the case. So this rubric, we have remedies, gelsemium, of course phosphorus has to be there, everybody knows phosphorus, but gelsemium was also there in this rubric. So think about gelsemium, think about phosphorus, think about rhododendron. In rhododendron you have to understand it is fear of thunder. So जब भी पेशेंट को थंडर से डर लगता हो, think about rhododendron. In generalized, if you see a big rubric, fear of thunderstorm, then you have to think about remedies like phosphorus is there, Staphylococcus aureus is there, rhododendron is there, natrium is there, gelsemium is also there. But you differentiate the rubrics on approach of a thunderstorm or only thunder, then the remedies keep on changing because we have defined that. Again, I'll share an interesting rubric, fear of closed spaces. I had a very interesting case that the patient used to tell me, Doctor Sahab, I travel by train from, he used to live in, we have here Ramtek, nearby Nagpur, so he used to come by train. So fear of train and closed places. Fear of train and closed places, and he was not that fearful personality, but only because in this he had a lot of fear and he could not travel by train. So he used to prefer a car or a road journey. So in this was a very, very interesting symptom that defined the patient. So fear of train, fear of closed places. Again, you may think about ferrum metallicum, which you can never think about, such a contradictory remedy, such a angry remedy cannot bear contradiction, we say in the ferrum metallicum, but it is there. Fear of train and closed places, natrum, pulsatilla, brattacar, fear of closed places, and that's why, when you are prejudiced of a particular remedy, you cannot think beyond that symptom in a remedy. That's why it is important your case taking is good and your repetization is also good. This is very, very important, my dear friends. Next, कभी पेशेंट आके बोलता है, डॉक्टर साहब, सर आई फील के मेरा अगर पेपर अच्छा नहीं जाएगा तो मैं फेल हो जाऊंगा, तो मेरे को अच्छे कॉलेज में एडमिशन नहीं मिला, तो इफ आई डोंट गेट गुड MBA कॉलेज, इफ आई डोंट गेट अ गुड मेडिकल कॉलेज, इफ आई डोंट गेट अ गुड इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज. But he is very brilliant. He understands that and he has no problem, but he always has that fear, And then you have to think about remedies which has fear of imaginary troubles. Fear of imaginary troubles, you have to think about one remedy that is very, very important. Of course, there are 3-4 remedies, but always think about calicarb, sepia and hydrocyanic acid. Hydrocyanic acid you must have not thought about, but it is there. Fear of imaginary troubles. Calicarb. Such an angry remedy, outrageous remedy when at home or in company. But it is there. Fear of imaginary troubles. And when he has fixed fear of image troubles, it is very important to take out that fear. Otherwise, what will happen? The patient will always have some imagination, and that imagination will cause problems in the constitution. So my dear friends, a short video again, video number 5 for the rubric fear and its remedies. If you like this video, do share and subscribe. Thank you.